What's up, YouTube? Today I have a quick tip on wishbone suspension. How to get a spring compressor in to a spring that doesn't look like it will fit. So I've taken out the shock already. It is very old. And this is the bushing. And now I'm trying to get the bottom portion of the spring compressor in to get the spring which sits between the two wishbones here. Unfortunately, the hole here is not big enough for the spring compressor to fit the way that I need it to. So the tip that I have is to actually use the fact that the tool itself is meant to be taken apart. So I'm going to take one of these bolts out. And one of these arms will come off. And now I have a lot more space to go through the bottom hole of the spring. Once I get one end in and kind of pre-position it where I needed to grab one of the coils, I'm going to slide this other arm in independently, position it on the other opposite side, and then I'm going to take the bolt and push it through and try to thread it on. So I'm just screwing it in by hand right now. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my, you could probably fit a socket through, but I'm just gonna take my box end, and this should be just snug enough. And just to show what I'm talking about on the bottom, that's kind of the hole through which the shock comes out and the spring compressor has to fit. So it's a very odd shape. The spring compressor does not fit without taking it apart, but again, use that to your advantage. And then the last step here is to obviously thread in the rod, connecting the two pieces together. It goes through the bottom, and then screw it on through the top, and that's it. The model of the spring compressor I was showing is this one, OEM Tools 27200. It's like an internal spring compressor that you would go through for a double wishbone suspension, not a strut kind that you would go on the outside of the spring. This one goes inside the spring. In the picture, the way it looks like, since I already had it in, it's kind of like this. And this is going to be the top that hooks the top coils, and this is going to be the bottom, and this is a 19mm that you tighten to compress the spring.